Good morning, Vestigians. Vestige believes in giving back to the society. As our CSR endeavor, we founded Heart to Heart Foundation so that we can extend our support to bring smiles, change lives, and touch the hearts of those in need. In line with our mission, our initiatives aim at providing health, education, and nutritious food. We began this journey in 2013 by adopting 2 children homes, by conducting blood donation camps pan-India, and offering academic scholarship. Now we've added a new dimension by launching Arogya Rath, a mobile health unit which provides free medical facilities in the rural areas. Currently, we are involved in these 4 major projects, which you will see further.
Children homes adopted by Vestige Heart to Heart in collaboration with Miracle Foundation are homes to over 150 destitute children. It's indeed great to see them growing into happy, healthy and motivated individuals. As per United Nations Conventions of Rights of the Child, each child must be provided with 4 nutritious meals and at least a 200 ml glass of milk every day.
Prior to Vestige Heart to Heart Foundation joining hands with Miracle Foundation India, these kids were deprived of this facility. But with the support from Vestige Heart to Heart Foundation, these kids are thriving with such support and their growth is phenomenal.
यहाँ पे मुझे पढ़ना लिखना आया, हिंदी पढ़ना आया है, इंग्लिश आई, गणित आई, सब आए, तो मुझे मजा आने लगा.
Children in these children homes are now getting nutritious meals along with daily glass of milk. They get the necessary in-house coaching by expert teachers, not only for their studies, but also on leading life of purpose with wisdom and motivation. Since they study at home, they go to school with zest and confidence and come back with enthusiasm to learn more and play more. They love to play football, cricket, carom board, etc. together as a team. So, team spirit and sports spirit are getting instilled in them playfully. These children homes are also equipped with computer centers to impart computer education, so as to keep pace with the technology and advancement. All in all, they are being nurtured to become self-reliant, creative and aspiring individuals to bring pride to the nation. At Vestige Heart to Heart, we strongly believe that no child should remain deprived of education because of shortage of funds. Currently, we are offering academic scholarships to 5 students from different parts of the country. It gives us great pleasure in supporting them to realize their dreams and fulfill their aspirations. Vestige Heart to Heart has been conducting blood donation camps since 2015 across India with the aim to create awareness as well as motivate people to donate blood to save lives. So far, over 3,100 donors have donated blood and helped save over 9,300 lives in the past 3 years. Vestige, in association with Share Foundation, has launched Arogya Rath, which is the state-of-the-art mobile health unit. It is equipped with tools to measure blood pressure, check ears and conduct blood tests so as to check basic vitals and sugar levels. It also has a wireless portable X-ray unit. Currently, the Arogya Rath is set out to visit 12 villages in Rajasthan to extend healthcare facilities and free medication to the rural population. These people do not have easy access to clinics, doctors and hospitals. Some of them even need to walk 2 to 5 kilometers for basic checkup or medical needs.
ग्रामीण परिवेश में लोगों के लिए अस्पताल जाना काफी मुश्किल भरा होता है। ऐसे में उनके द्वार पे जाके उनको सारी सुविधाएं प्राप्त कराना आरोग्य रथ का एक प्रयास है।
Arogya Rath spends a day in the village wherein the villagers get register, consult the doctors, get their checkup done and get free medication as per their medical condition. Follow-up consultation is scheduled every 15 days. Arogya Rath will continue these visits in the select villages for the next 6 months. Similarly, more areas will be brought into the umbrella of Arogya Rath to protect more and more people from ailments and help them live healthy.
We intend to keep sailing forward with these missions to bring more smiles, more health and more education to the people. Thank you so much and wish you well.